What's up everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get FC24 early access with the 10-hour free trial. So the first thing that you need to do is ensure that you got the EA Play subscription. So it's about $3.99 in UK pounds. So once you've subscribed to that, the next thing that you need to do is go to the top on your Xbox dashboard and go across to the store. Once you're on the store, you might see FC24 there. You can select it and then try and find the game within the massive list of games here, or you can go back and simply go up to search and select that. The next thing that we need to do is type in FC and then 24. There is actually a space, and then just press enter or search or whatever. So you will now see a few different options. We now need to select the option for your console. So I'm on the Series X, which means I need to select the Series X version. Once you're on here, you now need to select this option here that says Xbox Series XS, not this £62 version or the $8.99 version, just the normal version of the game. You will then see free trial with EA Play. Go ahead and select this. If you don't see the option, then back out of everything, restart your console and then try it again, because it might just simply be glitched for whatever reason. We're now going to select that, and we're then going to go install all. You can go choose what to install, but just go install all, make your life easier. There we go, you can now see it's installing, which means that tomorrow morning I will then be able to play the game. That's if I free up some space anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish videos.